The Robotic Pool Cleaner 2025 is equipped with a powerful motor that delivers exceptional suction power, ensuring thorough cleaning of your pool by picking up debris like twigs and small stones with ease. With its versatile cleaning modes, this pool cleaner can effectively tackle the floor, walls, and waterline, adapting to any pool shape or surface for a comprehensive clean. The device boasts an impressive runtime of up to 180 minutes on a full charge, and it recharges quickly, making it ideal for large pools up to 2,100 square feet. The advanced navigation system with gyroscope-based technology allows the cleaner to optimize its cleaning paths, ensuring no spot is left untouched, while its four-wheel drive adds to its adaptability across various surfaces. This robotic cleaner can effortlessly handle slopes and corners, making it suitable for both above-ground and in-ground pools, thanks to its durable tracks and climbing capability. The cordless design of this pool cleaner eliminates the hassle of tangled hoses and cords, providing a safer and more convenient cleaning experience for pool owners.